Label filters allow you to filter row or column text fields. By using label filters, you can narrow down your analysis. The Australian Airlines Arrivals workbook contains arrival, departure, cancelled, delayed flight data of 7 airline companies and 7,435 routes for a period of 20 months of different airports in Australia. Using this workbook to create label filters. First, create a pivot table by placing cursor anywhere on the source data. From menu bar, click Insert tab. Then click Pivot Table. Pivot Table dialog box opens. Check whether the source data is properly selected. Choose New Worksheet for a Pivot Table report and click OK. A skeleton pivot table appears on screen. Now, drag arriving port to row labels, airline to column labels, and sectors flown, arrivals on time to values. You want to know sectors flown and on-time arrivals of Qantas Airlines at airport names starting with A to N. To get this information, you need to use label filters. To create a label filter, click the down arrow on row labels. Pop-up menu appears on screen. Now, click Label Filters. Different label filters equal, does not equal, begin with appears on screen. As you want to focus on airport names starting with A to N, click Between button. Label filter arriving port dialog box appears on screen. In the boxes next to between, enter A and N. Then click OK. Pivot table is created with airport names starting with A to N, but for all airlines. As you need only for Qantas Airline, you need to add one more filter for column labels. Click the down arrow on column labels. Pop-up menu appears on screen. Uncheck Select All and check Qantas and click OK. Pivot table displays on-time arrivals of Qantas Airlines at airport names starting with A to N.